focus on me. Baby, can you focus?
Mayana bak. Tumela. Hey, navikuonesyo. I saw a girl posting on TikTok, tripod, 110. Go more the time. Guess where I'm going? More the time. This very early morning. I sent them a WhatsApp, but I'll be like half 8. Now we half 8. Yeah, I'm gonna tripod 110. Then I'm gonna get one for my friend as well to do it. So, Are. Hey guys, I'm back. Managed to get the tripod. Here you go. So the shop that sells the tripod is the hardware store. I'm gonna write the name also on the screen. I think I did shoot going there. So yeah, that's what we got. And then we got in a Chinese shop next to the shop near hardware. Ne? So Dimala in style, the Chinese shop and then the hardware gonna do tripod. And then I got this 2-piece thing that I really like. This is what the back looks like. It's a pants and top set. The pants, as you can see, I was saying they have lay-by, so I lay-byed the pink set in this. I didn't have a size in the black. They have the black, but they only had like extra large, and I felt like extra large was gonna be too big on me. I probably should have just taken it, but the next time I go there, I'm gonna do that. And you guys played me dirty. You guys did me so dirty. Plugged you guys on the pink track pants that I got. Get it, there's a nude that I wanna go back for, like the cream white. Did I not go back to the shop? So Lona, and then plug you guys after buying, because one thing about y'all are gonna finish the shelves and you're not even gonna think of me. Anyways, I was with my mom. She's still here. We passed by Safalana. I got the butter chicken. She got sorobe and liguina. I got the roti bread and butter chicken. So I want to have that now and then take my meds the flu, because the girl is not well at all. Also need to edit tomorrow's vlog, because otherwise you guys are gonna kill me.
If I was serious, if I found you dying, this would be blended.
Good morning, guys. Today is a Sunday. Happy Mother's Day. Oh my god, happy Mother's Day to all the mommies. I hope you guys will be celebrated today. You guys will have a beautiful day. I think the last time I vlogged was, honestly, I don't remember, but I haven't vlogged in a few days. Can I get a flu? Can I get a flu? Is a something. I have a flu. You means your time a better. Yeah. But I think I'm fine now. Okay, I'm not like 100% fine. Went out yesterday. Mrs. M was here with her husband. With her husband. So they asked that we go out yesterday. We went out. That's why I still have lipstick on. Yeah, my friends came, brought me some stuff. Melinda brought me a couple of these. I think the Disprin pills, I think, Disprin tablets. So Kibana dissolves away pain and fever fast. So I wanna tidy up the house a little bit. Actually filming a TikTok, basically like a day in the life. I really wanna take my TikTok seriously, like I keep dropping like random videos on TikTok, and I don't like that for myself. I wanna be like consistent, at least post once a week on TikTok. So yeah, I want to tidy up the house a little bit. I'm gonna take a bath. I'm gonna go to church because Mother's Day. So yeah, let's go look for an outfit. Okay, clean the house, look for an outfit, and then take a bath, have the Disprin, and be on my way out. I don't know if I want to eat anything because I think I have like a my stomach is upset. I don't want to say I have a running stomach, but my stomach is upset. Yeah, that's it. But lipstick. Hi boy, you guys, I'm loving this tripod so much. Darius actually collected hers yesterday. I didn't vlog that, but it was so cute. Like, what day is it? Sunday. Friday I had the girls come over. It was so cute. Melinda slept over. Saturday Dudu came with her daughter. It was so cute. It was so cute. Sadie cooked for us yesterday. It was so cute. No, actually Sadie cooked the past 2 days. Hey, shame, man. And today, later on today, I'm gonna go to Corner Couch with Mrs. M, husband, and a couple of friends. Again.
On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. Yeah. You come around like it's baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by, so I gotta be right on time. my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I put myself in the zone, get nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow. You got me staring out the window. We're showing stars outside. What's the reason why? You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby.
Good leader. Family, today we celebrate Pastor JJ. Happy birthday, Pastor JJ. Your dedication to this church and it's inspiring and truly a blessing. Your strong leadership has leading us through this community in every season, Pastor. It's very inspiring. We are truly blessed to have you and our family, Lord, and our country, Pastor. So family, we're gonna hear from a few people who want to share their birthday message with Pastor JJ.
Hey guys, I literally just got back home, and as soon as I parked the car, my neighbor came. She's like, girl, I have something for you. I have something for you. The lady I share the complex with. So she made this plate, potato salad, green salad, sweet corn, and I think this is like a steak. Yeah, I think it's beef. Yeah, so this is what I'm gonna have. I think I did mention that I will be going to Konakash later with Mrs. M, husband, and a couple more people. So yeah, I'm so excited, guys. This is so cute. She says it's Mother's Day. She just thought, like, my husband is very far. It would be nice for her to do something for me this Mother's Day, which is so cute. Aww. I enjoyed church so much. I really did enjoy the service today. We're continuing a series, unique. Yeah, just being unique. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna have my food. I have Coke. I want to take a nap before I get ready for Konakash later. My mom is coming. I spent the whole of last week with her, and then I think I'm gonna spend the week with her as well this coming weekend. Schools are opening, so we're gonna have to do like quite a number of things for school preps. Riley has a trip coming up as well. I don't know when I'm gonna start prepping for that, probably in this vlog, we'll see. Yeah, I just thought, let me update you guys. I'm gonna watch a vlog. I'm probably just gonna pass out watching something because I am tired. Oh, and I got my t-shirt. Like a Mother's Day t-shirt from Jotted. I'm gonna show you guys. I think that's what I'm gonna wear later to Konakash. So I'll definitely show you guys.
I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here and sleep. Oh, yeah. Hey, baby, I see you. So sexy, boy, so sexy, boy. Around you.
Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the guys out. I'm a mind that's you the dog. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that get boss like the Baba Frayo. Don't cry, yo. I need people and shadow. I need people and shadow. I need people and shadow.
Hey guys, welcome to another day in this vlog. Today is a Friday. I'm about to step out. It's around 1 o'clock. I'm about to step out to do a school pickup. I'm gonna pick up Riley from school. I've been doing that since they opened. Drop her off in the morning and then pick her up when she knocks off. She doesn't have somebody who picks her up now. I'm currently looking, but in the meantime I'll be the one who drops her off. So yeah, after that I need to pass by Mascom to pay for the internet, and then if we have time we'll pass by the shops to get bread and some other things we need for the next few days. I've been down with flu, you guys. I literally at one point I felt like I was gonna die. I felt like I was exiting the world. But yeah, we thank God that I'm feeling better. I know my voice doesn't say I'm better. I know I still sound congested, but trust me when I tell you I'm feeling better. I mean, I'm feeling better. I was down bad. The headache, the dry cough, the sore throat. Riley at one point even asked me if COVID is back. I'm like, why are you asking that, girl? But yeah, we thank the Lord. I've been wearing a mask.
I did put a cut when then kill Obama. I did try to buy moto, want Toyota Corolla. My feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you remake it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover.
So Sadia and I are gonna watch The Ultimatum. We tried watching it. Kelly. Yeah. We ended up chatting the whole night. We didn't even watch. At this point, so we're gonna start again. Season 1. I saw new season anything like that. Episode 1. I also tried watching Bridgerton. It's like a 30 series. But I'm gonna try watching it again, guys. I promise. So let's see how it goes. Because a lot of people have been talking about Kanya. A lot of people have been talking about Kanya. So that Ruth Kanya Urili. Hey, the proposal, whatever thing. Yeah, I saw that. Good morning, you guys. Oh my god, today's a Sunday. I won't be going to church today because we are currently catering. Started it yesterday. I just thought, I don't know, let me start the morning with you guys. I don't know if I'll be able to vlog because it tends to get a bit hectic in the kitchen. It tends to get hectic. Oh my god, I think I'm in the last stages of my flu. And you know what you say, what has to roba?
deal. So yeah, I might go out a bit later to help Sadie look for a couple of stuff. So I quickly want to go start cooking. It's like 2 minutes past 7 right now. So yeah, I think let's go. I'm gonna freshen up a little bit, change my clothes because I like the set too much. Because I want to go back for the black set. When I got this set, that was this nude color, that was the pink color. I think I did tell you guys that was the black. I got this in a large. Black was not large, only extra large. I'm thinking I should go get the black in an extra large. Because why not? Because I really like this set. Honestly, I love it. I love it so much. So, yeah. I don't know what I'm going to have for breakfast. Probably just some coffee and bread. Quickly. And to get my kitchen in. So let's go get that done. Oh my god. We watched The Ultimatum, South Africa, until episode. I think we're on the last, if not the second last episode. Yeah, I think the second last episode. Ruth K confessed to, I forgot the lady's name. Okay, Kanya's a bit too much. I get why a lot of people are on this topic about her. She's a bit too much because why? Honestly, no. Anyways, so yeah, what else did I find interesting in there? I think for the most part, you just get to see how a lot of people just take their relationships loosely. Like, you want to get married to this person, but you're out here doing stuff with other people. Baby. Anyway, that's my take. Let me go finish washing it. Okay, maybe later. So I think I'll give you guys an update, like, Maiti Wanyan. It's around past 2. We are done catering. I managed to shoot a few clips. Obviously, I couldn't do the whole thing because it gets really hectic in the kitchen. But I'm gonna go out with Sadie, like I said. We're gonna get her friend something. It was her friend's birthday, so she's gonna drop off her gift. But we need to pass by Woolies to get some flowers and then deliver them. I did not iron my dress. Please don't come for me, but I like this dress so much. It has pockets. Love it so much. So I'm just wearing that. It's actually like a one-hand dress, but because my underarms are not waxed, I had to throw on a jacket on top. So I just took this leather cropped jacket and it goes well with the outfit. Then I'm wearing my Nike sneakers. Love them so much. And then I'm carrying this Balenciaga bag. It looks so cute. I should be going to like Mokolodi in this outfit on this beautiful Sunday. having leftovers over some the ultimatum.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke. Know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus.
I just dropped Riley off at school for a school trip. They're literally gonna spend like 2 days there, and I don't know how I feel. I really don't know how I feel. Yeah, anyway, I am going to work, literally. I don't know when I'll see you guys. It's really busy. But I think you guys might have seen us packing last night. So Miss Riley trying to mark everything that she's packing, from her school uniform to her home clothes to her face cloth. We're literally just marking everything as per the school request. So yeah, I think it just makes work a lot easier for the teachers and staff. So yeah, I hope we'll be getting pictures near at least something to see how the kids are doing in the group at class. But yeah. Hey guys, I was supposed to post this vlog on Thursday. This was Thursday, but I didn't manage because you guys were so busy. I don't even think we're gonna have a vlog next week because the whole of next week we are still gonna be busy. So I won't have much time to just live my life or even clean my house. That's just how bad things are right now. That's just how busy things are. That's just how busy things are. It's not a bad thing. We're just busy. So I'll see you guys after like a week. We're gonna skip 1 week without a vlog and then I'll post the other week. I'm so sorry for that, you guys, but the girl has to work. The girl has to make some money one way or another. So unfortunately we have to, you know, kind of sacrifice one for the other, and I need to survive. I hope you guys understand. But thank you so much, you guys, for your patience. Yo guys, we finished the ultimatum.
and even watched the reunion yesterday. Yeah, I think it dropped yesterday, or it's a Friday. Today's a Saturday, by the way. You see, I could not believe that Kanya has a baby. But you know what? The relationship is about there's a lot that I would want to say, but because the relationship is about and that's all about, I don't want to say much. But yeah, I did enjoy the show. Not too sure about the reunion. It wasn't too bad. It wasn't as bad as people make it seem. But honestly, I did enjoy the show. Yeah, I did. We managed to catch up a little bit here and there. Questions that I was asking myself, you know, are those ones? Is Lebo back together with her boyfriend? Figured they are. She broke up with him on TV again. Anyways, thank you so much you guys for watching this vlog. I will definitely see you guys after 2 weeks. I'll definitely see you guys after 2 weeks. And yeah, we'll just have some time to catch up a little bit, not too much, because honestly I don't have like any life updates or whatever, but yeah, we will catch up pretty soon with you guys. Yeah, I will undo my hair. I'm looking so crusty and it bothers me so much. I have not waxed my underarms. I have not threaded my eyebrows or even waxed them or even twist them from my house. Literally, my hair is a mess. School life is just in shambles right now, and you know what? It's gonna be okay. The girl is gonna be back up. But yeah, thank you so much you guys for watching this vlog. I really do appreciate you guys' support, and I hope that if you have not subscribed, you will subscribe, and please don't forget to like this video if you did enjoy it. I'll see you guys. Bye bye.